It is raining today and I am feeling lazy. That is why I am making a Japanese village drawing which gives a lazy vibe. I painted this village with watercolor and this drawing has so tiny details. It was really tough to draw. I added these three cats doing three different activities. So let's get into the video. This is the initial look before the coloring. Let me remind you something that you need a thick paper. Mine is 300 GSM. The sky will be very basic, so I am pre-wetting the paper. This process gives a smooth watercolor finish. Be careful not to color the cat. While the sky is drying, I am heading to color the bushes. Remember how we colored the leaves in childhood? Yellow, light green and deep green gradient. I am utilizing exactly that process. I always say that painting or drawing is a slow process. You need patience and you need also focus. In the midway, the painting will be meaningless. Magic happens when you complete the painting. Adding some really dark tone makes the color pop up. It gives a good contrast. So don't fear to add dark tone. This bush has 3 to 4 layers, you can see that. Adding layers one by one will motivate you drawing further. These cats were too tiny, very small place to give details, so I could not add more details to it. I just added black and white. Three roofs are different in color. I created this shade by adding white and scarlet, that is red. These curves were also too tiny. I was almost coloring the whole place. This shade is very light, teal and white. Make the color very loose and then use it. Loose colors are not applicable in everywhere. I don't know if you can notice the difference between the window and this fence. I actually added yellow ochre to the fence color. Fence color is brown. Time for another roof. Here I am not trusting my hand, so I am using a thin brush. These type of drawings need more precise colors. The colors need to dry, unlike the loose drawings where you don't need to be precise. So if you are a beginner, go for loose color technique, or you just fill a box or circle. Draw a house and fill the house with color. Draw a tree and fill the tree with colors. If you practice daily, mark my word, you will be able to draw. After 30 days, you will be able to draw a scenery very well. It is raining again and it is windy too. And look what I am doing. Painting a sunny midday drawing, lazy drawing. This drawing took me around 1 hour to finish. This is a marker. These cats are barely visible, so I thought I would give a border. This might look like a simple scenery drawing, but each house has different characters. I have to color the characters with different shades. It was fun, also exhausting sometimes. When the base layer is complete, it is a relief that I finally can give details. Here my concentration was full on. I should not miss here anyhow. Still my hands tremble. If you think some parts are boring, you can skip the part. I know because this video is a very long video. These houses are 99% done. Yes, dry. Now we can color the arrows. If you have stayed till here, please subscribe the channel, like this video, share this video with a friend, share this video with your cat or kitten. I like to make a simple drawing out of a complicated photo reference. So you can suggest me what to draw next. The clouds could have been better, no? It could, but let's end it here. Honestly, binding of the sketchbook is not that good. Pages are good though. This is just a finishing touch. What is that cat watching? Let's add some birds. I really like this house, I don't know why. Here it is, the drawing. The drawing is done. See you in my next video. Bye bye.